Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Web Knowledge. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can upload dummy data or fake data in a table in Laravel. So here you can see we have a table called employee and there is no data in this table. So I'm going to show you how we can upload dummy or fake data in a Laravel table. So for it, first of all, let me just go to my code and here you can see I have a folder called database, and inside this folder we have another folder called factory, and there is only on user factory.php over here. So inside this factory folder we are going to create employee factory.php over here. So for it we are going to write a command in the cmd. So I already opened a command over here. Here you can see, so over here I'm going to say php artisan make we'll say factory, and the factory name will be employee factory. Then we'll give this sign, then we'll say model equal to, it will be employee, because our table name was employee. Over here you can see our table name is employee. So right now if we now press enter, it will create employee factory over here in this factory folder. So let me just press enter. So here you can see factory created successfully, and if we go to the factory folders, here you can see employee factory. So first of all, in this employee factory we're going to write, okay, let me just copy this one and paste it over here, and we'll say use illuminate backslash, we'll say support backslash, it will be str. Now if you go a little down you can see this return option, and if we go to our table over here you can see in the table we have name, email and the phone number. So we want to generate the name, email and phone number automatically. So for it, here we are going to say, we'll give two single quotation, and inside it we'll say name equal this arrow sign, we'll say dollar this, then this arrow sign will say faker, this arrow sign again, and here we'll say name. So it will generate some fake name. So after name, okay, we have to give a comma, not semicolon. So let me just copy it and we'll paste it two times because we have name, email and phone number. So here we are going to say email, and in order to create fake email we have to say over here email, and here this one will be for phone. Now in order to generate fake phone number we have to write it like this, phone, and it will be capital NUMBER number, and for the last one we do not need to give a comma over here. So let's save it, Control S. Now what we have to do is that we need to go to our over here you can see cedar folder inside the database folder, and inside this cedar folder we have database cedar.php. Just go to this file, and here you will see something like this. So here first of all in the at the top we need to add a line. So let me just copy this and paste it here, and we'll say illuminate backslash support backslash packets backslash, it will be db. So right now okay, this will be backslash. So right now we have the connection with the database over here, and here you can see public function run, you can see backslash app model backslash user over here, and you can see that it is comment out. So just remove this comment out, and here you can see the user written over here, and instead of user we are going to mention our model name which was employee. This is our model name, and here you will notice a backslash over here, and you require to keep this backslash, otherwise you will get an error. And here you can see factory 10. Now here you can write 20 or 30. Right now actually here you can decide how many fake data or how many dummy data you want to create. So let's just go with 20. So right now let's save it. So after this what you have to do is that really simple, you just open your cmd again, and here you have to say php artisan, we'll say db this clone seed, and if we now press enter, here you can see data seeding completed successfully. Now if we go to our the table, and if we just refresh here, you can see we have around 20 data over here. So you can just run this command multiple times and it will create more data. Let me just refresh again. So there you go, it is showing up until 20. Okay, so here you can see there is on a total 40 data, and here I also show the data in the view as well. Here you can see we can see all the data over here. So this is how you can create dummy data in Laravel. I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and if you like this video then please subscribe to my channel. I will actually really appreciate it. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy.